guys, it's Zayden Review, and today I am sorry for not posting for a few days, but wanted to do this. So, I actually am on my alt account because I've gone through like 6 different servers trying to find a server that'll let me, that like people want to do it with me. But give me a second. Right now I just did a toy unboxing video, and this toy is amazing. Just saying. That will be coming out pretty soon. But yeah, let's get on with this. Let's move my screen back up. Reset. And now how do I start? Okay, so I'm on my alt account, like I said, because nobody was joining. Sorry for not posting, like I said. But basically, wait, can I load? If I can just load one of my, oh, you can't, dang it. Okay, so let's do. So let's do that. And later in the video I will show you my boat, like the boat I always play with when I play this game, because it's really cool. But right now we're building this. And I don't care that it's not very good right now. I don't care if it's not gonna be good at all. Oh my gosh, I'm building in the ground. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Okay, well, let's clear all. That hurts. Okay, so let's do that. And then let's just do boop. A little bit of that, just to make it simple. And then we'll get another block right there. And then we'll go that. And then I'll do that. Oh, someone likes my cut. I like your cut, G. Wait, can I expand this? Oh, I thought I could. That'd be so cool. Okay, okay, I need to just build this manually now. I only have 2 minutes left. This is not good. No, you can't fake. No. No. I'm doing RB right now. Wait, what'd he say? Let me in, please, or I hack. No! Don't hack me! Stop! That's kind of rude. Wait, oh my gosh, I forgot I have rockets. Rocket. By the way, my alt account's just not doing anything. Here they are. There's all the rockets. Okay, now what? Of course I want a king's throne. And then I should probably use that because I have 800. Oh my gosh. That's nice. Can I help them? No. Not yet. Nor yet. Yep, nor yet. Nor yet. No. Oh my gosh, did you just really harp? Oh my gosh, I hate you, dude. Wow. Oh my gosh, can you not? Please stop. Ricardo. Oh my gosh. Fine. To the end we go. This is just cheating. I didn't even know this was Ricardo. Wait, I need to refriend him. I accidentally unfriended him. I swear. Remove blocks from my plane. Hey, wait, remove blocks from my plane. I can't. Only a few more seconds. Oh my gosh, he just dropped me off the cliff. He just literally dropped me off the cliff. Come on, respawn. Okay, I have to get to my boat in a few seconds. Okay, so it's showing, it's on my screen, on my phone, it's showing the boats. And then that's just my alt account's boat. My gas! Only a few more seconds. Wait, no, I have to get on the boat. My alt account's just gonna, just be there. Alt account, go! By the way, I will friend people on my alt account. I don't have any Roblox on my alt account, but it's cool, Aiden Boom. Aiden, let me help. Oh, well, looks like I win. I think. Well, I won. I win. Wow, that was like the hardest Robeats ever. I had my alt account. So now we're just going, yeah. No, stop, you're dropping me. Stop. Stop, drop, stop. So you have badge? Mm-hmm. Whoa, I'm helicopter. Oh, okay. Did you just... Oh my gosh, I have... No, stop it. Stop. Stop my rocket. No, stop my rocket. Stop it. I can't stop it. It's too far gone. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I got the badge, so thank you for watching. Like, subscribe.